The three of us could still make the best of it. I think we just need to gain some perspective. So why don't we waltz on down to the soup kitchen and volunteer for...
Quit in my vocabulary!
Dasher Baxter?
In the flesh! You kids feeling down in the dumps?
Yeah.
You need a leg up on the competition?
More than anything.
Huh. Well, what if I let you new kids in on a little secret of mine? Then it's a deal, buds! Good luck, you kids. You'll fucking need it.
Are we in hell?
Close! Welcome to the limbo zone, you kids.
What are we doing here, Dazzler Boxer?
Let me finish talking! Everybody knows that trumpet Dalton might be the best you in the flesh world. But how about computer fighters in the real?
Wait a minute. This is like the floppy disk. You mean to tell me that you're gonna download us into the game?
Precisely, Kevin Blades. Conquer the challenges before you. Outwit the dangers ahead. Obtain 50 coins and defeat Darlington before you.
Or what?
Or I'll have your souls.
Guys, this is our chance to get back at Dollarton and experience gaming nirvana. But I can't do it alone.
I'm in. Sure. Let's show that deadbeat millionaire who's boss.
In you go.
All right. So what do we know about this game?
Get moving, new kids. The clock's ticking. You only get 5 lives. 4 if you're Kevin. Watch out! Dolphin attack! Don't let Frankenstein get you! Quickly, grab the disappearing crystal! Oops, it disappeared! Too slow! Oh, someone's lost! Oh, a multiplication problem! Don't look at Medusa! Don't get zapped by the purple wizard!
What is this? This is insane!
Watch out! Collect the candy bar! Use the special jump! Want those lies, Neil?
What the hell just happened?
Watch out! You play with pterodactyl fire, you gonna get burned!
All set. I've obtained the 50 rings.
Coins, not rings! Now you're sick! Frankenstein's back! You're almost there! Look out! Falling coconuts! Tired already? That's gotta be! Don't let us down! Here's the cherry! Pick up the key! Jump! Look out for that Viking! Put down the key! Jump on a cloud! Fumigate for ants! Tip 20%! Where'd the key go? Jump! Well done, children. It's time for you to move on.
Where are we now, Master Hamster?
Behold! Vatican City, 1999.
Vatican City, 1999? We're almost at the end of the game. It's the Quackers!
Let us computer fight! What is this nonsense? You know what, guys? I think it's about time we check the weather forecast.
Have your insurance send me the bill!
Hope you like getting kicked in the face. Yeah.
It looks like those new skids on the rock. They're in the game?
Player 1, Gunfoot.
Hey, you promised. When do I get to play?
Pearls before the impoverished, plebeian.
New kids, this is your final test. You're on your own now.
Gunfoot?
It's Mitch!
He just keeps doing that same move over and over again. It's cheap.
This is hopeless. We don't stand a chance. I've never fought in a computer my whole life.
Neil, you can't quit now. Proctor Tractor believed in us. Computer fighters turned you into a hero. The quick-witted warrior you always dreamt of becoming. Are you gonna let some bullet-towing kick ninja stop you from that?
No! Cornered, though. What's to withstand?
Perhaps Vid Kid has the answer.
Right. You're a genius!
Let's see. Aha! Computer Fighters 2000. I'll just turn the page. Neil! In your pocket from earlier.
You mean...
The banana!
You guys distract him. I'll do the rest. Let's get this Gunfoot!
Watch out for his foot bullets. Kevin, 10 fingers. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yes. Yes.
Hey, Dumbfoot!
Looks like he was defeated.
The new kids win. You lose.
No! No! I'll play forever!
Well, you new kids did it. And you almost beat my high score.
And we even got to murder that rich jerk.
Effectively.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Flickster.
What do you think you'll do now?
Maybe it's time I moved on, new kids. To the big arcade in the sky. There are new worlds to conquer. New horizons to turn upside down.
Will we ever see you again?
Nope.
Oh, wow. Oh, Neil, I think this is for you.
Thank you, Daxter Flagstone.
With video games, anything is possible.